Hi there, students. Destitute. Destitute. This means you are really, really poor. You don't have any money, you don't have any food, you don't have any home, you don't have any possessions. You are completely destitute. So if somebody's broke, then they don't have any money. But if you're destitute, this is much, much worse. Yeah, you don't have the means to provide for yourself. Yeah, you can't earn enough money or get enough money to live, to provide the things that you need. You can't survive. You don't have the resources, the means to survive. So after his accident, he was paralyzed and left destitute. Yeah, without any money, completely impoverished, poverty stricken. Yeah, this is very extreme, absolutely destitute, utterly destitute. You can't say very destitute. This is an extreme. Okay, so if somebody is destitute, they are in a very, very bad, difficult position. Let's see, you can also use this word destitute, meaning not having something that is important. Normally they use destitute of. So a wilderness, destitute of any type of life. Yeah, a river that was so polluted it was completely destitute of fish, for example. Or the internet and sales in internet are causing the high street shops to shut, or many small shops to shut, and I think eventually many places will be completely destitute of physical shops. Okay, so destitute, lacking something that's needed or something that is desirable. And then destitute, without any resources at all. Yeah, so a destitute old woman. I guess you could have destitutely and destituteness, but I don't think either of those are very common. So destitute, penniless, extremely poor, impoverished, distressed. So there were destitute children who lived on the street. Yeah. Okay, so completely without money. Yeah. Without the means to earn what you need. Okay, so notice destitute. This is very extreme. Destitute of, lacking. Yeah, so yeah, the First World War left Britain destitute of young men of a marriageable age. It's true as well. So destitute, absolutely stony broke. Okay, formality. Destitute. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5. I wouldn't use it informally. Absolutely broke. Yeah, would sound better informally. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing or above. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin destitutus, meaning destitute, abandoned, de sitio. I think fixed in position, to place. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Destitute.